Slice is a method for your arrays that will take like a shallow copy of a portion of your array and return it. And it's very similar to other different ways we've seen to manipulate or pull certain data out of your array. So let's give you a concrete example. Say I just wanted everything from 2 until however much I have left in the array. I would come in here and do this. And so this is saying, hey, at index 1, which is the value of 2, I want you to give me everything from 2 until the end of the array. Now, this takes 2 arguments right here, and the second one is optional. And since I'm not supplying the second one, it'll say, okay, this is the start. That's the first argument. And then since there's no second argument, it'll just assume you want the rest of it. Now, if I wanted to get maybe something else out of here, let's do 3. This is the end, but it's not included. So it says up to this point. So since we know 1's going to start here, I'm going to grab this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, it's not going to include this index right here. So I should only grab 2 and 3. And let's test it out. And you see that I only grabbed 2 and 3. What if I want to put 100 in here? Even though I don't have, obviously, 100 indices in here, let's see what would happen. And we still get everything. So even though you may not, sometimes you don't know how much is in an array, you could still put a gigantic number in here. And even if it overshoots it, that's still fine. But if you kind of want to see everything, just give it one argument. If you like this video, subscribe, share, comment, you know the usuals. I appreciate you all coming in and checking this out. Hope to see you all in the next one. Take care.